Good morning, and how are we? Hope everyone's doing well. Thought this was a good time to actually start the video, mainly because lots of cool stuff going on. Well, Mr. Namo's been a little bit busy, as you can see. Still needs to put the other sub in there, and obviously sort out all this wiring. But as you can see, things are starting to come together. Boxes, amps. There's going to be another one going over there, which is what that is. There's basically exactly the same as that there. So we can get that out of the light. Lights apparently flaring the camera out, but the bass van is starting to be...
It's a disco on wheels.
Bassy. And Mr. John has spent many hours polishing and mopping the whole hydro van. And also completely repainted a new bumper.
2 new bumpers.
So this one's a bit aged and abused. So John's been the painter, and he is also, because he damaged this one, painted up a new one. And this one is minty fresh. Ta-da! So the Hydro and the VR6 TDI have all had some love. It's nice to see that they're coming along. Now all we need to do is get tyres mounted on them to put on that. And this thing should look perfect. I'm looking forward to seeing that. But I thought now would be a good time to pick up the camera and sort of show the coolness that is ensuing. Getting ready for Camper Jam. Not quite sure when you're actually going to see this video. It'll probably be during Camper Jam.
You should actually get ready for Camper Jam before Camper Jam.
Yeah, we're getting ready for Camper Jam well in advance of Camper Jam. Not getting ready for a show the day of the show.
It's the week of the show and we got a lot of stuff.
So there we go, just going to finish attaching bumpers and moving stuff out, and then we'll get on with Monday morning activities. See you in a bit. Well, there we go. So, since I last picked up the camera, the vans are still here, but went and did something on the van. Before I show, what is your opinion? Johnny new wheels. Da 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 da.
Too bad.
Look at that.
That's way bad, don't it? Bye.
Look at that.
I actually don't know if I've ever seen her look that good, even when it was done.
She looks, obviously she needs her grill put on, but that looks unreal. Right, we're going to play Musical Dickheads. See you in a minute. There we go. So, everything's moved, as you can see. There's Di's van. John's van's up on the top. This van, I'll get to that in a minute. So, from the last time you seen this van, didn't have any of this lot done. So it's now got rear arch, steps done, sills done. He's making his way all the way round. B-pillar. And as you can hear, Mr. Namo is welding now. So there was a little rust on just in there, which obviously is repaired. We'll leave him to do that. That's Mr. Namo's job. John is going to jump on this. I think it just needs a little bit more wiring. And I think this bad boy should work. This is obviously the one that I've been working on. I think John's just gonna do the last little bit. And this van, as you can see, she's had sail arch, she welded all the way around pretty much. And unfortunately, it doesn't open from the passenger door. This came here because it did have, I don't know if I can show you. There you go, you can see there. That. And that one there. That is supposed to be inside there. So I'm going to pull that lot apart, put new linkages all in, bish bash bosh. And I might try and figure out why this door lock isn't working as well. Because that would be a tad bit annoying. So that's my job. Gear linkage, wiring, welding. Happy days. So I'm going to crack on with that. I'll put this down, there's no point showing you because I'm not going to be able to show you anything. Also, we have got them, which we will show you later. But that's cool. Anyway, see you when that's done. And there we go. So the one I was working on, done, dusted and golded. Mr. John, he's got this one, which has got a baddie clutch. He didn't actually show it, but it came out in lots of little pieces. Got it all ready. Just waiting on the clutch.
The clutch.
How are you today, sir?
Hot. It is a little bit warm as well.
Hey, Mr. John is now on radiator duties. We'll leave John to do that, but the reason I picked this up, we have something fun to show you, which I'll put you on a time lapse for, so time lapse. This is something we've been meaning to do for a while, and that is to put some doghouse signs up. So we've got this one, and we've got one up in the top car park facing the road. So now everyone can find us. And also, we've given the building a lick of paint, so everything looks fresh. Doesn't that look good? I am absolutely sweating buckets doing that. I'm gonna go get something to drink. Also, how cool that looks. Looks like a completely different van. Good job on mopping. Also, we do have a couple more signs to go on that pole by there, but we are not doing that today. Anyway, I'm gonna go get a drink. See you in a minute. And we're back. So, as you can see, I've been something a little bit different. Currently, in Di's caddy van. Because we are off on a little adventure. And by we, I mean me and John in the hydro van. We're off to go and get something kind of cool for the hydro van. So we've got to drive that down there, leave it there for a day or two, and then when she gets picked up, she will sound lovely. Well, I kind of feel like I should pick this up a little bit, because last time I picked a camera up, we were dropping John's van off, which is now fully dropped off. Hopefully, fingers crossed, sorry, I'm going to tidy up as we go, but fingers crossed, that thing will be ready to go pick up tomorrow, which will be good. But in the meantime, I'll be down the tyre shop, got my tyres sorted out, and not that you're probably going to be able to see very well, be messing around with my interior. Do need to sort that bit out, so sort of ignore that bit. But yeah, diesel heater piping, 240 hookup, and my switch panel. Yeah. Yeah. Do need to put my big battery up underneath there, which is just over there. It's the same as what Di's got on the back of his. So I need to put that in, wire it up, and then that's all done. So I already do have a leisure battery here. I'm just going to link them both up. And yeah. Oh, and also cut them down, put them across there, and this thing is pretty much done. Very happy about that's come out. Looking very good. Also, the orange van, which you've seen me been working on. Well, that runs, do need to bleed the clutch, as you can see, holding water. And it has got, there you go, 3-inch downpipe. All the way from, oh, you can't see it, from the hybrid turbo all the way back. Run that thing up, do the timing, and she needs to go forward onto John's ramp and have the exhaust done. MOT completed it. Yeah. John has done a Calypso. He's done a slave cylinder. Is that right? Slave cylinder on the Calypso? There we go. Slave cylinder on the Calypso, which you had to do over the pit because it doesn't go on the ramp. And 2.4 clutch and flywheel. Because hopefully I can find it again. Oh, there we go. This is what came out of it. Absolutely destroyed. And if you can see in there, all the clutch forks are bent. Absolutely, completely destroyed. So that's what Mr. John's been up to, along with dropping his van off. And Mr. Namo, well, he's been welding that, as you've seen, and I think that thing is dangerously close to being good.
Mm-hmm. There's few little things, windscreen, windows to cut out, but
The main bulk of it.
yeah, the welding, 99% welding is done now.
Look at that.
Yeah.
And after hours project, Dynamo bass van.
Boombox van.
He did have it all wired up a minute ago, and all the lights were starting to come on and do light things. Doesn't actually make boom boom noises yet, because, well,
Forgot about radio.
there's kind of not a radio to do boom boom noises with. But
I started backwards, but yeah.
yeah, start from the back and then work to the problem.
Yeah, but it's coming.
Considering you built all this lot from lumps of wood.
Yeah. Yeah.
That one's completely done, sub and everything's already in it. Obviously that one's going to be a complete duplicate.
That's all done.
Amp over there. There's going to be another, oh, there you go. Another amp in there with a power cap.
Yeah.
Which is just by there. And then sub, boom, boom.
Hopefully.
So that's what Namo's been up to. So after hours project. That is the battery I've got to put in mine I was saying about. Another one of them. We're going to put this lot down. I just thought I should really pick the camera up because I kind of haven't all day. We've been busy little eggs, so I'm sorry. Anywho, I'll put this down, pick it up in the morning, and we can kind of see something happening. Hopefully, if I can remember, I'll show that moving. Anywho, see you in the morning. And it is now the morning after the day before. So as you've seen, we was having a little bit of play with our stuff because camper jam is coming around extremely quickly. But back to it. Mr. Namo is just going around doing a bit of painting and whatnot. Hello, Di. As you can hear in the background.
Da-da-da.
This is the one I showed you the dodgy clutch on. No more dodgy clutch. And while John is finicking with that, I am going to up a little bit of a play with this. So, need to change your clocks because it has got, should have really lowered this down, but it has got the 2.5 clocks in it. We're going to see if we've got some betterer ones. That's a bit more of a manageable height. Like I said, she's already been running, but we just need to run her up now, get her up to temp. And I thought before I do that, I'll have a little bit of a tidy up because I made a lovely little mess. I need to put the fan by here to blow everything out because she has got her 3-inch downpipe on. but it literally stops there. So there's going to be a bit of schmuck. But that thing's now running, just need to sort the clutch out, and ta-da! So I'm going to run this thing up, get the fan out to blow the schmuck away. Yeah, 1.9 to 2.5. Whoop whoop. Alright, let's get this thing ran up.